Hey guys, Sam Brennan here, and tonight, today, I have an average of 5 with my very first cube, my Rubik's Cube. So let's get this thing started. Okay, just want to make sure that you can see. We'll get started. Oh, recognition is so hard. .353. This will be a terrible average, and I won't put it into my official stuff, like account. I won't take it into account, the average, unless it's really good, but it won't be. .713. Finally, sub 20, 18.425. That took a while. It's only my third soft though. Wow, 17.491. That's like average solved for me. No, I only have one more. Oh, sub 20 average of 5, 90.173. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.